Would you like a car wash? No. Okay, quick, it's cold. Oh, I don't want a receipt. No. Okay, please see a cashier. Dude, you're amazing. Ready to venture outside? It's a little bit cold. Okay, let's go to my car now. Silver swab. Okay. I think the credit card was not working in the pump, so I had to get inside and pay for the gas. Finally. It's becoming a little dark outside right now. Well, as far as the visibility is concerned, I think it is almost zero visibility right now. See that? See another car here. You know, the exit towards Grand Forks is closed. They have closed the interstate right now because of the adverse travel conditions. See that? That's the exit to the I-29 and it's closed. I just hope my video camera doesn't fall outside, you know? Since the roads are very icy, you just cannot apply the brakes here. Wow! Can we take the exit? Possibly not. Just trying to put my windows up and the glass just came off. See the window? The glass just moved. Just moved to the side. Oh, people are applying brakes. The car is not just stopping. It will be very risky to keep the camera on and still keep driving. So let me switch off the camera and then go home. This is just about it. I just wanted to show you how adverse the climate is here in Fargo. There's lots of wind now. So this is how a blizzard looks like, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Let's listen to some music.